To sell digital products using Stripe, follow these steps. Set up a Stripe account. Go to Stripe and create an account if you don't already have one. Enter your business details, banking information, and verify your account. Create your digital product. You can sell digital goods like ebooks, courses, software, or music. Create a sales page for your product using platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, or your own website. Integrate Stripe Payment Gateway. Use your website's builder's integration tools to add Stripe as your payment processor. If coding manually, use Stripe Checkout or Stripe Elements to create a secure payment for digital product sales. Set up a digital delivery system. Use a service like Sendowl, Gumroad, or a custom solution to deliver your digital products automatically after payment. These platforms can integrate with Stripe, allowing instant delivery after purchase. Test your setup. Before going live, test your payment process using Stripe's test mode. Make sure that everything from payment to delivery works smoothly. Promote your product. Once set up, start marketing your digital product using ads, social media, or email marketing. Your customers can then buy your products, and Stripe will handle secure payments, processing fees, and payouts to your bank account.